Alright guys, so I have a little problem in the back of my Expedition here. Your F-150s and other Ford vehicles might have the same outlet here. This is a 110 volt plug. And so mine, it just doesn't hold things in here. They just fall out when you're driving. It's not secure. So it's really super easy to replace. All you need is a trim tool and our new part. I'll post a link in the description. This was only $22 at Ford. And so we just bust this bad boy open. There's our new part right here. To get this old guy out, all we do is take our tool here. We're just going to get behind it. Just around the edges, it has these little pins in there that we're just trying to push. And I just did this with one hand. So there's this little gray tab on the back that I'm pushing down. And just pull it out. There we go. Our new one's gonna go just like this. Close it. Push it right back in there till you hear the click. And it should pop right back in there. That's much tighter, you know, even just to open it. And our plug. Boom. Just like that. 2-minute fix. $20.